this is a very good depiction of what a library is and how it differs from a framework. So let's say me and you get together and we want to build a product. So we have an idea in our head and we think that has business value and we want to build something. Building everything from scratch is like reinventing the wheel. We don't want to invest time and effort doing that because we want to be as fast to the market as possible. We don't want to reinvent the whole game, build technology components from scratch, and take years and years to get there. Most of it is available out there. We just want to take it and run, right? So we don't want to build something from scratch, but we have an inkling of something that solves the problem in some minute manner that we see. So if you take in open source, there are lots of in Python you would call them packages, and in Ruby you would call them gems. There are already pieces of code that solve the problem very well, and that has the community backing. Thousands of people would have contributed to that piece of code, and it would be doing its job very well. So you would want to depend on the stability of such a component and use it or inject it into your own product. That is what we would call as a library. It's typically meant to do only one thing, and it does it very well, but it rarely would serve as the overall application. It's not meant to do everything that you would expect in a typical application. So you have this library, and to offer a product to customers you have to build all the bells and whistles also, right? All the frills that you would require. So instead of using one library, you would typically end up using one or more libraries to construct your application.